Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus rising from 28th of December till the 4th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey. It's a journal reading. It might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. Okay, whatever matches with you, take it, and other portion you can leave. Okay, so you can okay, I'm conducting a live workshop from 20th till the 26th of January 2026 on manifestation. Unlock the power of chakras and manifest your dream life, because chakras are the base to manifest whatever we want in our life. This is going to be live for 7 days, 1.5 hours per day, and 5 to 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And if you are not able to join it live, you can get the recordings for 3 months and you can practice it. It's going to be life changing. It's definitely have the power to raise your vibrations, and you can start your new year with a beautiful, new skill of manifestation. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description box for the same. For personal reading and healing sessions also, you'll find the links below. So let's start. Virgo, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. We have the Magician, King of Swords, Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Page of Pentacles. You guys are manifesting some kind of cutthroat energy of, cutting something or someone out of your life, out of your system, as if cutting some kind of mess and moving forward towards calmer water. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. It is very highly possible that you guys are moving towards something new or someone new, and you guys are trying your best to keep it as stable, as grounded as you can from your side. Although it's just a start of something brand new, it's just the beginning of something brand new. It can be with the same person, it doesn't have to be with a new person or new energy, but for most of you it's a new person, a new energy that you're heading towards, manifesting cleanup. Like you are like, okay, clean the mess from the previous years, now moving on towards calmer water, finding my own happiness, finding my own life, and heading towards something brand new or someone brand new. Whether it's like reinitiating the connection once again with someone with whom you are dealing with right now, and or dealing with someone totally new, okay, or a fresh energy. But there is a sense of cutting the crap and moving towards calmer water and starting or restarting something brand new. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Virgo. Eight of Swords. Someone is not able to stop thinking negative about the situation. Mentally trapped kind of energy. They are continuously thinking negative, overthinking, trapped in their own thoughts. Basically, they are feeling like they're in some kind of mental jail, and no matter how hard they are trying to get out of it, they are not able to. It's just their thoughts, their mind. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Two of Wands, King of Wands, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is feeling like they have to wait continuously for some kind of action from your side, for some kind of maybe decision from your side. This person is feeling like there's a lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation, and no matter how hard they're trying to bring the balance back in the situation, things are going out of hands. Okay, they feel like you might be connected to someone else also or something else also, and your focus is there. You're not into this situation the way you should be, and that is making the situation a little bit imbalanced. And now this person is feeling like, what the hell is going on? Okay, they feel like you're putting them on hold, you're putting them deliberately, you're making them wait. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Ace of Pentacles, you're definitely heading towards something new or someone new. You're not interested in something messy, something that is keeping you trapped, and it's happening from maybe last 2 years, and now you are done. You're done this time. You feel like moving towards, heading towards something more meaningful, something more stable. For most of you, it can be related to your work, job, career, or finances, or stability, or something related to your home. But for some of you, it can be a stable relationship, a mature one. Let's clarify. Ace of Pentacles. We have the Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and Three of Cups. There is definitely a choice between two people, two situations, two things in your life. There's definitely a decision or a choice between two things or two people or two situations. And you feel like going towards the one where you are going to find the stability and the groundedness. Even if there is not that kind of love right now, you feel like heading in that direction of your stability, heading in that direction of that connection, that bond that is going to make you feel safe and secure and grounded is the right choice for you. This is what you're feeling. Typical earth energy, leaning towards stability and security and safety. Hmm. You guys are dealing with a third party situation here. Three of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Two of Wands, Six of Pentacles. There are lots of signs of other people, other energies. You guys have a choice between two people, two energies. Mostly you. Can be your partner also, but mostly it's leaning towards you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Virgo, let's see. Justice. This person wants the balance, the justice in the situation. They definitely want the situation to have some kind of karmic justice. Maybe they want you to face your karma or something. Let me clarify the justice here. But this person is seeking for balance in the situation, seeking for justice in the situation, because somehow they feel like you are hiding something or someone from them, and you are doing something behind their back that you should not be doing. Although they can't point a finger on you like that, but they sense it. Justice, Nine of Pentacles, Empress, right? So this person wants to detach from the situation and focus on their growth and expansion and happiness. But before they are going to detach from the situation completely, they want the full truth. They want the naked truth of the situation. They want to know what's going on and why it's happening, the way it's happening, so that they can make the right choice or the right decision and move forward in this direction of freedom, of independence, of singlehood. But this person wants proper answer and proper justice. For some of you, very few of you, one of you got the other person, one of you got someone pregnant or got pregnant by someone else. And that is why one of you is seeking for justice from the universe. Like, they did something wrong behind my back, they should suffer and they should go through the same shit that they have make me go through. Okay. So someone is seeking for justice here in the situation for sure. For some of you, it could be possible that you got this person like pregnant, and now you are leaving them for someone else, and it's breaking their heart, and now they're seeking for justice. Like, Virgo should face their karma at some point of time. Virgo should also suffer the way I'm suffering. My God. And it's coming out of pain and knowing that there's something going on behind their back that's not right. Might not be even cheating on them, but this sense they are feeling like you're dealing with someone else, and or you're planning to leave them behind. But their mind is creating stories and scenarios that you're leaving them behind, or you're letting them go because you are falling in love with someone else, or falling in love with the idea of being with someone else, or maybe heading towards your personal growth and expansion, and it's not going well with them, and they're taking it as a little bit of betrayal. They can't even pinpoint like what is going on and why it is going on, what they should do about it, but they're kind of pissed off. And it's very subtle. You might not even be able to feel that they're pissed off, or that they're angry, or that they are in this energy right now. Wow, this person is a good actor. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? They are definitely a very good actor if they are able to hide all of this from you, the feelings, the emotions, the energies. King of Swords, from your side, you just want to cut the crap, cut the mess out of your life, clean the mess, and move forward. It's like you just want to cut something or someone out of your life just like that. You don't want to give any explanation. You don't want to, express. You just want to cut it, and you're like, that's it. We're done. Goodbye. Okay, and that's a little bit harsh. Not a little bit, it's very harsh actually. But you're like, okay, this is how it is going to be from this point onwards. We have Seven of Wands, Temperance, and the Eight of Swords. Yeah, you're like, I want to protect myself at any cost. I want to heal myself. I want to be patient with my life. And I want to get out of this mental jail that I keep on getting trapped in again and again and again. So you don't want to get trapped in this mental jail, this negative thinking, or wow. So you're done with someone, right? And you are falling in love with someone else, and or the idea of being with someone who is going to provide you that what you want. But you are definitely done with this particular person or energy, and you don't want to get yourself trapped in this situation anymore, and you want to cut this situation out of your life, out of your system, as if it never existed. And you slowly but surely want to head towards healing, patience, and lots of growth in your personal life. What's going on, Virgo? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the what we have, honey, 4th of January, Virgo. Five of Cups. You're going to be disappointed. There is something that you're going to be quite disappointed about. It's not going to be very easy for you to cut something or someone out of your life, but you will try your best. Let's clarify the Three of Cups. There is going to be people around you, help around you, but you will be focused on the painful part. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Cups here. We have the Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so you're rushing towards this cutting part. It's like you are treating it as like, okay, it never existed, but it does. You are going to run away from the confrontations. You are going to run away from the reality of the situation, because you are heading in a direction where you are able to see something or someone that is going to be there for the rest of your life. But the moment you are going to rush in that direction or run in that direction, you are going to be stuck. You are going to feel stuck. You're going to feel like, oh my god, in my head it was looking so good, in my head it was making me feel so good. But when in reality you are going to like run in that direction, you are going to feel stuck and disappointed, because you are going to realize something here in between. So what's happening here is you're cutting something or someone just like that brutally, or at least you're trying to, out of your life, out of your system, as if it never existed, but it was something important in your life till this point of your life. It's not like overnight you made this decision, but it was important. Now, whatever you are running towards or rushing towards, it's like in your head it looks very good, it makes you feel very good, but in reality when you are going to go in that direction, it's going to make you feel stuck. It's going to um, you know the whole divine is going to force you to see things from a different perspective, to slow down, to calm down and relax and understand whatever you are doing and why you are doing that. My goodness, this is just like a test that you guys have to pass in order to reach to that level of goal that you are looking forward to have in your life. Let's see the guidance here. Virgo. We have the Devil, the Page of Swords, and the Five of Wands. Yes, you are trying to cut something or someone out of your life, out of your system, and the way you're doing it's very unhealthy, very childish, very immature, and it's going to create a lot of confusion, lot of conflict and chaos in your life. It's not going to bring you the happiness or the stability that you want. It's going to bring a lot of chaos and conflict and whatnot if you are not going to take care of it the way you should. It should be gentle, it should be step by step. It's like you are running from one thing to another thing, just like that. You're trying to jump from one thing to another thing because the grass is greener on that side or something, and you're going to realize on the way that you were running behind an illusion. It's not like, I'm not saying you should be stuck in a situation where you're not feeling love, or you don't feel like you should be there anymore. But the way you are letting, the way you are cutting it, the way you are handling it is actually very unhealthy, immature, and childish. So try not to repeat the same pattern of leaving something or someone behind without properly addressing the situation like a mature adult, so that you are not going to have more conflict or more chaos or more issues in your life. Already you are facing a lot, so try not to create more issues for yourself. You guys have to learn, like step by step, learn how to let go, how to detach, how to communicate in a healthy way, how to handle with maturity the breakups or shakeups or whatever you are like working for, and how to handle new connections, new bonds, step by step in a healthy way. You guys have to learn a lot in that manner, Virgo. Okay, it's not going to happen by force, it's not going to happen by the patterns, the things that you keep on repeating. Oh my god, wow, can you guys see me? Haha, it's Virgo. This is a sign that it's not going to be good for you if you guys are going to keep it like this. Okay. Okay, so we are going to do this reading, finish this reading today like this only. Hmm? Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, honey. And this portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and pause whenever you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. उनको भी हमसे मोहब्बत हो. We have the answer as reconsider. Reconsider means whatever you are asking for or wherever you are going, you have to reconsider the way you are going in that direction. I can't even read, it's very small words. But reconsidering your decision or your choice is highly, highly recommended before you are going to make any kind of life changing decision or choice in this direction of your life. Okay, think again and consider a different option. That's what's written here. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in for Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.